Headstand with straps. Take a pad with a towel, place it over the headpiece is lifted, and then place 2 pads for traction on the carriage on 2 springs. Lie down on the carriage and place the hands on the shoulder blocks. The feet are well on the mat so they have lots of traction. Lift up into a back bend, curling the pelvis towards the ceiling, lift the straps to the ceiling, and then press down with the straps, reaching out to lift back up. Press down with the straps and reaching out to lift back up. Keep rotating the pelvis towards the ceiling, the bottom of the pelvis towards the ceiling, to create extension in the hips and extension throughout the spine. When finished, place the hands on the blocks to take weight off the head, roll down, and then bring the knees into the chest to relax.